Good morning everyone. This is our video tutorial for learning Task 1 in data structure and algorithm. So my name is Dane Jesemiel Birosil, the presenter, and my classmate Jester Denzel Ferrendo. So you can see here that we use the array list. This is the menu of our code. First, we have the 0, exit, insert at start, insert at end, insert at position, delete at start, delete at end, delete at position, delete the number, search number, display number at position, and lastly, display list. So we're going to start the terminal, so I will explain one by one. We're going to run the code. Enter your choice. So we're going to choose one as example and enter number 50. So 50 has been inserted at the start. So enter your choice. We're going to choose 2. Enter the number 100. And 100 has been inserted at the end. Enter your choice again. So we're going to choose number 3. Click and enter number 75. And also enter the position 1. So 75 has been inserted at position number 1. Enter your choice again. So we're going to choose number 10. 10 is display list. So list 50, 75, and 100. So we're going to enter your choice 4. Then 50 has been deleted from the start. And enter choice number 5. So 100 has been deleted from the end. So we're going to choose number 10 again. Enter your choice. And the list is 75 kasi na-delete na yung 50 sa start and na-delete na rin yung 100 sa end. Kaya 75 na lang yung natitira sa list. So enter your choice. We're going to choose 2. 2 and enter the number 200. So 200 has been inserted at the end of 75. Enter your choice again 2 and enter the number 300. So 300 has been inserted at the end. Enter your choice. We're going to choose the delete at position. So we're going to put 6. Enter your position 1. So 200 at position 1 has been deleted. So enter your choice again. Number 10, display list. So the list will be 75 and 300 because 200 at position number 1 has been deleted. So we're going to choose enter your choice number 7. Enter the number 300. So 300 has been successfully deleted. Enter your choice number 8, search number. So we're going to search the number 75. So value is not found at position 0. So we're going to enter choice number 9, display number at position. enter position 0. So, number at position 0 is 75. I can see that the 75 is the position 0. So, we're going to exit 0. And are you sure you want to exit? Yes or no? So, we're going to put yes. And thank you. So, that's all. Thank you for watching my video tutorial for Arraylist. Bye.